Well, the participants should take in account that there will be a lot of people, so the presentation cards must help them to be prepared for any business. I truly recommend you to take the finance session because there are a lot of tips that you will use in your professional career. And the second one is the marketing because there are a lot of strategies that will help you also. Of course, networking is important. So if you have sessions of networking, take it. Take all of them because you will create that network from LinkedIn or from your presentation cards, and that will be. It's necessary to take in account that the seafood is not the best one, but if they offer you meat or something like that, it will be amazing. Or maybe a salad will be great for the next conferences in your stomach. Okay, I'll suggest you to take the something related to the exercise because your body will be stay in the same chair during the conference. So if you decide to move or something like that, will be amazing.